to the Parrot. We are doing a little taste test today. We've been mixing up one of our pre-batch cocktails, the Dick's Picnic, which is a twist on a classic bramble but with blackberry jam. And being that we blended it together, we've now got this curious leftover here, gin infused blackberry jam. So we're going to give it a little bit of a taste test. You'll note that I'm using a Japanese glass spoon as I'm a professional mixologist. A liberal spread of gin jam. And I shall cut half for Dave and half for me, Japanese knife, because I'm an amateur chef. And we'll give it the acid test, I think. Cheers. Yep, it's really silly. And it's really hard to swallow. It's really hot. And really alcoholic. So there you go. If you join us for brunch, or if you stop by on a Sunday, we're open at 12 o'clock, and we happen to have a toaster out, we can have a little snack together. Cheers.